Hello, welcome. Today I'll be talking about mastering cloud security automation, a comprehensive guide to Terraform and Chef integration. We have a bunch of topics to go across, and the following are the growing importance of cloud security, the need of automation in cloud security, what is Terraform, Chef, and how Terraform and Chef can be integrated for security automation, benefits of Terraform, and some of the real-world case studies and the challenges. The growing importance of cloud security. So basically, the adoption of cloud platforms has surged so much over the years, and the security is now a top concern for many of the organizations. 93% of the organizations experience significant concerns over cloud security, and this is taken out from the different articles, especially Cloud Security Alliance. So automating security measures, protection at scale while reducing human error. Effective cloud security automation is really the key for minimizing risk and meeting compliance standards, let it be for the public sector companies or the private sector companies. And why there is a need for automation in cloud security. So manually deploying and managing security infrastructure is inefficient to prone, and it's prone to a lot of errors. As cloud environments grow, automation and tools like Terraform and Chef offer a scalable solution. Terraform and Chef allow consistent security implementation across cloud environments, reducing operational complexity. So what is Terraform? Terraform is an open source infrastructure tool developed by HashiCorp. It enables users to define cloud infrastructure in code, creating a repeatable and automated process for provisioning resources. Core functionalities include managing resources like VMs, network, storage, etc. And by using Terraform as an infrastructure, it becomes version controlled and can be deployed quickly with reduced human errors. And what is Chef? Chef is a robust configuration management tool that automates server and application configurations. So a couple of the core components in Chef are outputs and recipes. Chef client runs on nodes to ensure that they match the desired configuration. The Chef workstation is where developers manage and test outputs. Integration of Terraform and Chef for security automation. We have integration workflow where Terraform provides the necessary cloud infrastructure resources like VMs, networks, security groups, etc. Chef is then used to configure those resources ensuring they meet the desired state. Integration set strategies. Provisioning with Terraform and configuring with Chef. Terraform creates the infrastructure and Chef configure it. Terraform modules calling Chef outputs. Modules allow for reusable code that encapsulates both infrastructure and configuration. For example, creating a VM and ensuring that it has necessary security configurations via Chef. And CI/CD pipeline integration. Integrating both tools into CI/CD pipeline ensures infrastructure is automatically provisioned and configured during every deployment with consistent security standards applied. Benefits of Chef integration, it would be a consistency across all the environments. Say if you have a global presence of your application or the company, then definitely consistency across environments. Reduced risk of misconfiguration. Manual processes often result in oversight, but automated workflows ensure that security policies are applied and exactly as defined. Faster recovery from security vulnerabilities. Automation allows quick remediation of security vulnerabilities. If a vulnerability is detected, updates to configurations can be pushed rapidly using Chef and Terraform. Enhanced agility and scalability. The ability to automate the provisioning of security infrastructure means that organizations can scale rapidly without compromise in security. Real-world case studies. Financial institution use Terraform and Chef to automate the PCI compliance across its cloud environment, reduce the time required to compliance audits, and minimized manual configuration errors. Healthcare organization leverage Terraform and Chef to ensure HIPAA compliance, automated the deployment of secure infrastructure. These case studies highlight the real-world impact of cloud security automation, reducing the risk of improving compliance. Challenges. Common challenges when automating cloud security scalability, managing growing infrastructure complexity, secrets management, measuring the sensitivity data like passwords and APIs are stored securely, compliance, assurance, and skill requirements. Required specialized knowledge of IAC tools and cloud platforms. To overcome these challenges, organizations must adopt a modular design, automate compliance checks, and invest in team training. In conclusion, the integration of Chef and Terraform provides organization with powerful framework for automating cloud security infrastructure. By combining Terraform capabilities in provisioning infrastructure with Chef, this integration not only reduces human error, but also accelerates the deployment of secure systems, enabling faster, more agile operations across the cloud environments. The benefit of this integration are clear: reduced operational overhead, enhanced collaboration between teams, and the ability to quickly respond to security threats and compliance demands. I hope you like this conference. Enjoy the rest of it.